In a world where laughter was scarce, a mysterious sound echoed. Hic! It puzzled everyone. The wise ones said, "It's the diaphragm's dance." Curious minds gathered. "Why dance?" they asked. "To remind us of breath's rhythm," replied the elder. A child giggled. "Hiccup is a tickle from inside." The crowd laughed, feeling lighter. A poet mused, "Hiccups are life's unexpected pauses, urging us to breathe deeply." The village embraced the hiccup, seeing it as a playful nudge to cherish each breath. Remember, every hiccup is a reminder to pause and appreciate life. Hit like, subscribe, and comment to support us.